How to know who removed me from admin in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to find out who has removed your admin access on WhatsApp. So the first thing you want to do here is go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application. And then from here, you want to go over to the group where you were an admin of, and then tap on the group info. Now just scroll down here, and if someone is the group admin, then the only person that the group admin is, only they have the right to remove you as a group admin, so they could be the only person who has removed you. Alternatively, what you can do is scroll up on the chat section, and here you just need to find the message where it says you have been removed as a group admin and who removed you. If that is not visible, then you can just ask the admin. Or if there are multiple admins and you're not sure who has removed your access, then you can just ask them directly who has removed it and why, and they will most probably answer you. So these are some of the ways to find out who has removed you as a group admin on WhatsApp. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.